Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm using Creative Clawz matte hexagon multi-cut glitter. I'm also using some iridescent star glitter from Michaels, a homemade pink glitter, and I'm using Shebas Nails sparkling AB glitter. And that's the last three glitters I just showed you guys were also from Michaels. One of them's a iridescent, and then the silver and pink are also just fine glitters from Michaels. So to start off my set, I already have all of my tips applied and a thin layer of clear acrylic. I have prepped the natural nails and I applied dehydrator and primer before my acrylic. I'm using the number 12 oval alpha brush. My discount code is Femi10 and the link is in the description box if you're interested in this brush. So I'm just dipping my brush in clear acrylic and picking up that matte glitter and just placing it on my thumb. So after I have that set in place how I like, I'm going to encapsulate with clear. So on this nail I'm going to do some Hello Kitties, so I'm putting down a thin layer of white acrylic by TammyTaylor. I prepared a printout for this video, so if you guys want to do a similar design or something like this, you can click the link in the description box and print them out. I ended up printing these at half the size, so if you go into your printer settings, just print them at half size, and that's a really good size for your nails. And you can also print it at the regular size if you want like bigger sized bows or Hello Kitty faces or whatever. So I'm just picking up the faces and I'm pressing them into the acrylic so that they can stay in place. A faster way to do this is to use nail glue to hold them down, but I was running low on glue, so I was just being kind of lazy and just holding these down in place. It works, it just takes a little bit longer because the acrylic has to set before they hold down in place. After all these faces are stuck down, I'm going to cut off any excess paper that's hanging off the edge of the nail. And now I'm going in with the Shebas Nails Sparkling AB and that holographic iridescent Michaels glitter. And I'm just placing that around. And I'm going to put a little bit of stars here and there as well. So I'm just going to use the Shebas Nails Sparkling AB and my glitters to disguise the paper and make it all look like it's part of this nail. Once the nail looks good to me, I'm going to encapsulate with clear acrylic. So on this nail, I wanted to do a clear, glittery base, and I'm going to put the little bows that I had cut out on this nail. So once again, I'm using clear acrylic to adhere these, and once everything looks good, I'm going to encapsulate with clear again.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So this next nail, I wanted to do a baby boomer with a Hello Kitty print and a glittery nail bed. In the final result, it turned out okay, but I did make a couple mistakes that I regret. I didn't glue this paper down well enough because, like I said, I was low on glue, so the edges were not fully glued down, and when I went to trim it, I trimmed way too much, so one side of the nail was like way too cut. But I decided I was going to turn this nail into a stiletto nail. So I just went in straight away with the nail bed color, and the paper was sticking up a little bit too much, so the blend was not really working out. But once again, I decided I would fix it at the end with some stones and stuff like that. So hopefully you can learn from my mistake. Just make sure the paper that you're encapsulating is fully flat and laid down and stuff like that. But it all worked out in the end, so there's always a way to fix things if you don't have the time to go back, or whatever the case may be. I'm making sure to get my clear acrylic up in between the paper and all the edges so that this nail is fully well encapsulated so that it doesn't fall apart on me later on. And on the pinky, I'm gonna do a pink to silver glitter, and this is gonna be the base for my bling nail. I'm gonna do like an ombre bling later, which you guys will see. So I just wanted to have matching glitters underneath my stones. That way, in between the stones, you don't see like clear, you just see glitter. Once I have those glitters set, I'm gonna encapsulate with clear. And because I forgot to mention, I picked up those glitters with clear acrylic and just placed them straight away on the nail.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go.
So this is after file shaping and buffing the nails. If you guys want to see how I file shape and buff, please check the video in the top right in the cards. I'm applying my stones with Zulay's Bling Adhesive and a stone picker tool from Michaels, which will be linked down below. And I'm using SS 20, 10, and 5 sizes of light rose and crystal clear stones. These are not genuine Swarovski, these are just high quality crystals. So I'm just placing this over the seam, that way you can't really see it. And now I'm gonna bling out this glitter nail.
Try to forget all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge of something so worth it. You had the world right at your feet. It almost is all we'll ever be.
So now I'm top coating my nails with IBD Intense Seal and curing.
We couldn't get any closer. We couldn't get any closer. We couldn't get any closer.
Kim J. Yeah, he booming, nigga.
After curing and applying cuticle oil, this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
Never going back. I say never going back. Rockin' this garment though. My outfit ain't Gucci though. Don't mess with no booty folks. Pull up in the Hummer though. Standard out dinosaur.